Oil level not reading on this Audi, so when you go in and check, currently no information. You can flick off the key and it still won't show it, but in this video I'm going to show you how to do that now. You need to make sure that the vehicle has been warmed up. You have the temperature up to the correct operating temperature. Then we're going to flick the ignition off, then flick the ignition on, foot off the brake, so have your foot off the brake pedal, and let it sit for about a minute or two, and we should be getting a reading up on the dash then. So I'm just going to try it straight away and see if it works. So ignition off, then we're going to see here, flick the ignition on, foot off the brake, we'll go back out of that and we'll give it a minute or so and then we'll check. So the time is, the clock is wrong, 23:44. I'll give it a couple of minutes, I'll come back and I'll check to see if we have that level then. Okay, so it's just been a minute or so, back in again, 23:45, and I'm gonna check it. And as you can see, the oil level is reading now. So if you're having that issue, you can simply check it by switching it off after it's warmed up. If you go back in straight away and check it, you're not going to get the reading. You just have to leave it for a minute or two with the ignition on, and then you're going to be able to get the reading after that. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.